Hello everyone, welcome to RVM-TECH channel. If you are looking for a budget 5G Samsung phone, this is the Samsung A17 5G, and let's get quickly unbox the phone. There is no charging brick. Keep in mind you have to purchase it separate. In the it only comes with the some paper guide and user manual and the type C. I got a black color, so let me power it on. So the design look clean and modern. The back is simple camera layout and a nice finish. That doesn't feel cheap. In hands, it feels comfortable and lightweight. It has 6.5-inch of display, uh, perfectly for watching for YouTube and reels and movies. The phone supports 5G connectivity, which means you can have a eSIM in it. On back there is a multi-camera setup, a selfie for a video call and a social media. I will be testing the camera for a full review. Let me just set it up. Start. So I entered the password for the Wi-Fi. Let's just wait. So you can transfer your SIM from another phone. Let me do that to show you how that works. For now, I'm just pausing it because I'm running into an issue. So I will be showing you after this. So just skip for this now. Setup later in a setting. This phone, it's pretty light and it's really in a budget, because if you just wanna have a spare phone in case your phone is broken or something, it's only cost $180, which is pretty good, I guess, because the premium phones are pretty expensive. If you want to give it out to your parents, or maybe someone just want to get started on Android, they can start it. If they like it, they can buy a premium phone. So let's just skip for this one. skip Skip anyways. More accept. You can choose your display mode. I'm gonna go with the light. um, so one thing I like about this phone, the battery is designed to last all day, and it has a type C adapter, and you can also insert your SIM card, physical and eSIM, both compatible. So I will be reviewing this and posting more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be keep you posted.